Previously on the Boys Clubhouse.
East! There's the headlights hanging out of the front of the tires are about gone. Seat, duct tape. Yeah, it's my fix didn't work. We broke the steering wheel.
The hood's detached.
No.
And my big dog.
We're missing the headlights. Dude, both of them are missing one headlight.
Well, actually, your one headlight is my other headlight.
The foot things got ripped off. Seat's broken.
That one is too.
Supposed to be another clip. Things from both sides. A little bit rusty. It's a full aluminum. 8. I think we already know which one takes the.
The seat doesn't even barely.
Well, don't break it. And then this one, it's
Just
just got a little bit of duct tape in it. The duct tape ripped, actually. But that one got it. Least amount of issues. So this one, steering wheel broke, seat broke, and the fuel pump broke. This one, seat's messed up, tires are flat, and the belt got shredded. I think it's a tie. I think the tiebreaker should be a race. Hey, do you
He stole my key.
He took your key?
Yeah.
Well, go get it. Go get your key. Give me the key. Easton! You break it? He broke it off. Wait, stop. He broke the steering wheel off. Back it up. There's no turning, man. No, don't wheelie it. No. I turned it and it went on 3 wheels. Don't do that again.
Hi.
My shoe's untied. I got both hats. Did you run out of gas?
Yeah.
Get up. We'll see if there's any in there. Oh, this thing got gas. I think. Oh yeah, I see him. He's got our gas.